Here's where I slept. It actually got pretty cold last night. It got down to 50. But I was still warm. I'm gonna close this up and make some breakfast. Okay, this is Starbucks instant coffee with a little bit of sugar and goat milk, powdered goat milk. And I need to get one of those battery banks so I can charge my GoPro battery. They don't last very long. Fisherman. Okay, here's the beach. Lots of little shells. Some minnows. Not sure about these scratch marks. Could be a bear, but it looks like somebody was using a knife. All right. Well, that was fun. Time to pack up. One last video before I pack up. This is how I sleep. Thing to note, this air mattress is longer than 6 feet. So that's why it doesn't quite fit, but it still worked. It got down to about 50 degrees and I was still warm. The cool thing about this boat is the bottom is insulated. So it's not like sleeping on the ground. So this air pad, it doesn't have to have insulation in it. It can just be air, and it keeps you warm at night. Okay, taking a little break on a little rock in the middle of the river. I wish I had brought a rope. I could have tied the boat off. Shuttle punts in the mist. All right, I just pulled up to this beach here for my last break. The trip was about 7 miles on the towpath and 7 miles on the river. I'm just gonna eat a little snack here and drink some water. So the boat is completely self-draining. It's got these drain holes here. As soon as I get back on the water and flatten it out, all that water just drains out the back. I have my bag on top of my bike, so it's completely dry. And then that's a dry bag up there with my clothes and sleeping bag. Okay, I made it back.